In this video, I will show you exactly how to get a great chest without the gym, so stick around until the end. So about 2 years ago in PE, it was my freshman year of high school, but I got so lucky. I found this cool girl, I started dating her, and I was in PE class. My teacher was doing a push-up test, right? It's not like one of those where like the whole class is doing it at the same time. It's one of those where you come up to him and you just do it in front of him, and it takes up like the whole class. So everyone goes and it's my turn. I come up to him and I see on the ground this sheet of paper with all like the gradings thing, right? So like C is 10 push-ups or blah blah, and then the highest grade was A, 36 push-ups. Low-key, I was thinking like, okay, I'll do 30 and I'll get like a B plus. And I got into it, bro. I think I barely even did 20. I was like, fuck, bro, I'm actually weak, and this is how I look, and this is how I look now, right? Pretty big difference, me before and me now. And now I can do a 50 plus push-ups. I have a pretty decent chest that's like low-key popping through my shirt. My friend was to me like, oh shit, bro, I see you grow, and grabbing my titties. And I want the same for you, bro. I want you to be able to do more push-ups, look better, right? Be more confident in yourself. But I'm gonna admit, I didn't build my chest and my triceps solely through doing push-ups. It was more in the gym, and push-ups definitely helped me a lot. Bro, I'm on 300 push-ups a day now. I didn't do them today because I'm a bitch, because I was hitting chest yesterday, and I was like, fuck, bro, I shouldn't have done 300 push-ups before that, and I had like 200 before school, because my shit is sore. I can't even move no weight. And because I don't have the privilege of going to the gym like 4 or 5 times a week, only 2-3 times if I get very lucky. It's looking like 3 times this week. So home exercises and push-ups help me a lot. Just doing 30 here, 50 there, 10, 20 there, you know, that type of shit. So I have a 60-day challenge for you to blow up your chest. Before we start, I made a free habit tracker for you, literally, so you can do the 30-day challenge, right? Just there's 60 days, and you can check mark all of the things that I'm gonna tell you to do. There's gonna be 2 phases in this 60-day challenge. First one is exercise. The part 1 of this phase is 50 regular push-ups, and then the second part is 50 close grip push-ups. Regular push-ups is for your chest, and close grip push-ups is for that chest and more of those triceps as well. Bro, my mom is doing 100 push-ups every day, and you can't even do 100. Like, come on, bro, you can do this shit, right? So there's gonna be 2 sections in that habit tracker. You're gonna see the first month and the second month. So when you're on the second month, just click on 50 push-ups and just change it to 100, because you're gonna progress, and progressive overload is key to muscle growth. So that was phase 1, 50 regular. Shit, I spit hella, I can see on my screen. Phase 2 is nutrition. So if you're a skinny guy like me, you need to eat more food to grow, in order to grow, right? That makes sense. You've been wanting to grow, you know you need to bulk, right? But you just don't know how to. So the way you bulk is you need to eat in a 300 calorie surplus. So what is a surplus? A surplus is an added amount of calories you need to eat above your maintenance level. Like how much you're burning every day. Like let's say you're burning 2,500, right? A surplus is getting above that number, so you gain weight, right? Because this is your maintenance, that's how much you're burning every day. So you need to eat more so you don't burn those 300, so it stores in your body, right? So how you find this base level is on the habit tracker. I have all the links in there, like in the header. Click on the link that says calorie tracker. You put in all your information, and under the number that says daily energy expenditure is how much calories you're burning every day. So take that number and add 300 calories to that. But if you want more growth, add 500, even maybe 1,000 calories on top of that, right? But that's for skinny guys. If you're fat, if you want to lose weight and build muscle and get a decent chest, you need to eat in a 300 calorie deficit. You're burning this much, but you're only eating this much, so all this is burning, right? It's burned, so you're gonna lose weight because you're not eating as much as you're burning. Part 2 or phase 2 is you need to eat 120 grams of protein every day. The reason I didn't say 1 gram of body weight for protein is because everybody's body is different. If you're a 300-pound guy, do you think you need to be eating 300 grams of protein every day? Obviously not, right? Because most of it is fat, bro. Like most of it is fat. And if you're skinny as fuck, 50 grams of protein or like 90 grams of protein isn't really gonna help you. So 120 grams of protein every day is like the perfect amount, not even middle. It's like the perfect amount for everyone. I even read a study that if you eat an excess amount of protein, you're just gonna gain more fat. And since protein is a little bit harder to consume, it's hard to eat a lot of meat, a lot of like ground meat, a lot of chicken. Just fill it up with the rice, fill it up with some pasta or something like that, right? Some bagels, some carbs. I forgot to mention, how do you know how many calories you're eating, how much protein you're eating? I also left a link in the description for a food scale, so you know how much you're actually eating, right? You made some chicken and rice, or some I don't know, pasta and ground beef. You take the plate, you put it on the scale, so you put the spaghetti and track it. I also left the link in the description for a calorie tracking app and also the protein. You click on the app, type in 200 grams of spaghetti, right? Then you click tear, you put in the meat, okay, 150 grams of ground beef or 100 grams of ground beef. You put in the app 100 grams of ground beef, okay, 600 calories, 700 calories, right? All of that is gonna be in the not in the description, it's gonna be in the header of the Notion template. So yeah, that was part 2. By just doing those things, just those 4 things, right? The push-ups and the nutrition, the eating part, you're gonna be above 99% of people, bro. Who, like, genuinely tell me, bro, who does push-ups every day on their own will? Not in some exercise class at their school because their teacher makes them and they're not even doing them when the teacher isn't looking. Oh, bro, he's not looking, let's just lay down. Like, fucking bitch, bro, you can't even do some push-ups. Who's tracking their food? Who's doing the push-ups? Who is like, bro, tell me, who is tracking their food? Who wants to be, like, in such good shape that they're tracking their food? Fucking nobody, bro. Nobody's doing that. They're all scrolling on TikTok. They're all busy eating Takis over there and vaping in the bathroom, setting off the alarm so the whole school has to fucking evacuate. That happens to me, like, a couple times before school after school barely started. Nobody is doing that, bro. So come on, bro, we're not like those unathletic fucking kids vaping in the bathroom, and when there's a mile test in PE they can't even run, they just at the back of the race just like talking, chatting shit. We're not like those guys. We're those guys that are lapping everyone, and the guys in the back are calling us, oh, he's such a tryhard, because they're fucking jealous. They can't even run for 30 seconds without getting tired. So to join these men that are lapping everyone, that are in front of everyone, and everyone in the back is jealous, that's what they're making. Oh, bro, look at him, he's actually better than me, he can actually run. I left the link in the description for a Telegram group. It's for accountability. Literally, I'll make a separate channel, 60-day challenge, and just send me, okay, yeah, bro, I did 100 push-ups today, or I did 200 push-ups today. Just send me the progress. Bro, I'm telling you, accountability is very important. My mom started doing push-ups, and she's not really doing it by herself, and whenever I'm just doing push-ups, my 300 push-ups every day, she's like, okay, bro, I need to do my 100 too, and she started doing them. Because she sees me, she's getting accountability for me, and I'm telling her, okay, mom, let's go. You have your 20 push-ups left for the day, and she's doing them. So accountability is very important. Click the link in the description under the Telegram group. So here's an actionable step for you to do right now to literally beat 90% of the wall. Scroll down right now, click that subscribe button, then scroll down a little lower into the description and click that habit tracker link and do 50 push-ups right now to beat 99% of the competition and to start off your tracker. Check that box off, and I'll see you in the next video, bro.
Stay still.